Okay, so let's look at two quick examples of some practical situations when you're asked to find or to make something subject of formula. So in the first situation here, we want to make x the subject of the formula. Now, if you look at it here, you have square root of 3h over 2. So everything is under the square root. I cannot access anything without removing the square root. So the square root is the first one to go. Move the square root, this side becomes opposite, which is squared. So d squared is equal to 3h over 2. The next thing is to remove this denominator 2. So we multiply both sides by 2. You get 2d squared is equal to 3h. Now the last thing is to remove this 3. So we divide both sides by 3. You now get your 2d squared over 3 is equal to h. So that there is your final equation there, right? We've made x the subject of the formula. Now we've got a second situation here where we have to make k the subject of the formula, right? We have to make k the subject of the formula. Now, I'm not really comfortable with denominators. I usually like to remove denominators. So the denominator we have is k. We can multiply the whole thing by k, right? So k times t will give you k t. K into k, that's 1. 1 times mu squared will give you mu squared. And then 5mg times k will give you 5mg k. So remember, we're trying to make k the subject of the formula. So I collect everything with k to one side. So I have kt. I bring minus 5mgk that side. It becomes a plus 5mgk, right? I'm collecting things with k, right? And on the other side, I just have an mu squared. So once I do that, I've got 2k's here. I don't want 2k's. What do? I factor out k. I'll get t plus 5mg, right? And this is equal to mu squared. So what I see here is I have k times t plus 5mg is equal to mu squared. To remove this t plus 5mg, which is multiplying k, I have to divide by t plus 5mg on both sides. So t plus 5mg. So that means k, if this is cancelled off, is equal to mu squared over t plus 5mg. So there you have it. K has been made the subject of the formula. So you can try your own questions.